Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change from kilojoules to calories on MyFitnessPal. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and change MyFitnessPal from kilojoules to calories. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to MyFitnessPal. Then click on More on the bottom right hand corner. Afterwards, click on My Profile, then click on Edit. Then towards the bottom, you're going to see Units. So click on Units. So towards the bottom, you can see the energy section where you can change between kilojoules and calories. So select whichever one that you want and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change from kilojoules to calories on MyFitnessPal. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.